Hello dear students. From today we will start our lesson number 8 of English practice book, which is models, and today we will take up its part 1. Models. Models are used to make requests, offers and suggestions. Models are also helping verbs like can, could, may, might, must, ought to, used to, shall, should, will, would, dare and need. They are used to make requests, offers, and suggestions. They are used to express our wishes or intentions. There are models for polite conversation, and they may indicate the doer's ability or inability to do a thing. Models indicate possibility, likelihood, or certainty. Now, we read more about models in our upcoming worksheets. Worksheet number 1. John, a businessman, shifts to the house next to Mr. Arya's. Nikki finds him a little peculiar in many ways. She writes the following letter about John to one of her friends. Now, what she writes: John uncle is my next door neighbor. He's a strange person. Though he is a businessman, he keeps practicing weightlifting for the whole day. We keep hearing strange sounds from his house. Earlier, he used to go to gym regularly. There, he would lift weights. I believe he can lift 200 kg. He claims that he could lift much heavier weights when he used to go to the gym regularly. He says that he might participate in a weightlifting competition. He also thinks that he might win a prize. He keeps making such claims about himself. What opinion do you form about him? A line from you will inspire me. Yours lovingly, Nikki. Now, you must have seen, dear students, some words are bold. These words are models. They are helping verbs and showing some ability, possibility, past habit. Clear? Now, answer the following questions taking clues from the phrases or words given in the bold. Like, what does Nikki hear daily? She daily hears strange sounds from John's house. What did John do regularly? He used to go to the gym regularly. How much weight can he lift? He can lift 200 kg of weight. How much weight could he lift earlier? He could lift heavier than 200 kg. And what does he say about the possibility of his future in weightlifting career? He says that he might participate in a weightlifting competition. Now, a table is there. The models of ability, possibility, habits, and routine. We use for showing past abilities, we use could, and for present, we use can. Like she can't speak French, it's her ability, special quality she is having. She can. I knew he could win. It's his past ability. Now, possibility whether the action will be done or not. They may be sleeping now. It's a possibility. We are not sure. Like, and the crew might have repaired the ship already. Habits. He would sit there for hours. He used to go for a walk regularly. Past habits or routines, we can say. And in present, we will use will, and for showing some simple future. A dog will usually obey his master. I'm used to such noises. Clear? Now, some more. For present and past ability, we use can. For past ability, we use could. Strong possibility, we use may. For weak possibility, we use might. For very weak possibility, we use could. And for habits and routine, we use would and used to. Now, go through this chart very carefully. It will help you a lot. Now, next worksheet number 3. Now you have to read this comic strip and then you have got it right. You have to bifurcate the statements under the possibility and ability of past and present future. I have done it for you. You can read it and try to do more worksheets like this. Next, worksheet number 4. Now you have to read these advertisements and then you have to write whether they are possibility or ability. Possibility is the condition of anything that is going to happen. and cannot happen. Ability, that's your own potential of performing the actions. Like unlabeled medicines can cause allergic reaction. There is a possibility. Yes, unlabeled medicines can cause damage to us. They can cause allergic reactions. Second, the language of the textbook can be confusing. Yes, can be confusing. There is a possibility. Have you ever noticed how a supposed working day can quickly turn into a jolly celebration? Yes, there is a possibility. Our new computer network can solve most of your communication problems. This is ability of your new computer network, that it can solve most of your problems. Next, worksheet 5. Now, you have to write by making the use of can. You have to write the sentences like you have gone on an island. By making use of can, write the things that you can do on the island, not at your home. I will be able to have a splash in sea water, which I can't have at home. I will be able to see the water animals, which I can't see at home. I can play with, I will be able to play with the sand, which I cannot have at home. I can enjoy the sea waves, which I cannot have at home. Now, first of all, I will discuss worksheet 7 before doing worksheet 6, because it is the same exercise that we have done in worksheet number 5. Like you have written there complete sentence. Now you have to just make use of can and write the simple statement. Like I, we have done here. I will be able to have a splash in the sea water, which I cannot have at home. We can write it like this also. Look into worksheet 7. I can splash in sea water. Simple. Next, I'll be able to see the water animals which I can't see at home. You can write, I can see the water animals. Clear? Now we'll do the worksheet number 6. Rewrite the following sentences using models can or could. The first one has been done for you. I'm not able to attend your party. I can't attend your party. It is not possible for you to borrow my bike. You can't borrow my bike. Do you know how to use a computer? Can you use a computer? Is it possible for you to play basketball tonight? Can you play basketball tonight? I wish it was possible for me to do it. I wish I could do it. Clear? Now, next. Worksheet number 8. Again, some examples from a diver's diary who had gone to dive in the sea water. You have to write what can he do or what he can't. I can't hear voices when I am underwater. I can see animals very closely. Yes, you can. I cannot stand on the seabed. I cannot talk to other divers. I can touch the plants. Then I can't see the sunlight. I can't feel weight. I can come up any time. Clear? Now, worksheet 9. Here you can write the name of your friends who are very good at performing art activities like music, singing, dancing, or magic. So you can write, I can dance well, Sanya can sing well, Mohit can play any instrument, Sanyam can perform very well in the drama, and you can do any performing art activity. Arman can show beautiful magic tricks. So here are performing arts activity. Clear? All this for today. We will meet again with the same chapter, part 2, and we will complete the exercises. Till then, complete the worksheet. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.